Hello, my dear students. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here. Today, we are sharing a very special story of one of our students, Shamsher Thakur. So, Shamsher Thakur belongs to Himachal Pradesh. He came to us after completing his master's from Himachal Pradesh, and he was studying with us at offline center program for NET-JRF. In that series, he qualified NET-LS with us and subsequently got a PhD admission at Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, IP. But when he was doing his PhD, he expressed his interest in preparation for the Cpcb exam, which was for a senior scientific assistant or senior technical assistant. In that series, he qualified the exam as well as interview and got rank 1 in general category. On this remarkable achievement, where the institute have shown that the quality education which institute is providing is capable of getting our student the government jobs also, apart from the PhD and other academic profiles. So once again, we would like to congratulate Shamsher Thakur on getting rank 1 in general category for the post of Senior Scientific Technical Assistant at Central Pollution Control Board, the exam which recently declared the result of. So once again, we will congratulate Shamsher Thakur, our student. At present, Institute is offering various programs in which NET-JRF Environmental Sciences June 2024 in offline mode at our Delhi center, in online mode, in correspondence with video mode, and in only correspondence mode along with a test series. All other PhD entrances are also covered within the preparation for PhD in Environmental Sciences. The institute is also offering GATE Ecology Evolution and GATE Environmental Science and Engineering for March 2025. Then institute also providing interview guidance for all the competitive exams as well as the PhD entrances. The institute is also providing the preparation for the master's level program for all the life science students. Those who are interested in pursuing their master's or the PhD from US or Europe, they can also reach us. Along with that, Institute is also providing a very special program in data analysis under the environmental sciences and life science domain, which is specially coordinated with experts from various government agencies and reputed research institute from India and abroad. So those who are interested, they can reach us. The upcoming batch of all these programs is beginning from 17th of December, which is Sunday. Thank you.